Good morning. Today is Thursday, May 7th, and let's take a look at what our day looks like. Checking in. We do have our open office hours this morning at 10 o'clock. If you have questions or need help with something, go ahead and log in, and I will be there ready and waiting to help you and answer your questions. Reader's Workshop. As always, you're going to do your 30 minutes of independent reading. And then we're going to be working today on comparing and contrasting the two versions of Cinderella. So the classic version, as well as Seriously Cinderella is So Annoying, which is the point of view of the stepmother. I went ahead and put the videos back on this page so you wouldn't have to backtrack if you wanted to listen to them again. You're welcome to do that. I do have a Venn diagram here. Last week I did have some questions about reviewing the Venn diagram, so I went ahead and made a little tutorial video that you can watch at the top so you know what goes where in the diagram. So remember, you are comparing and contrasting, so what is the same, what is different with Cinderella's classic version and Seriously Cinderella is So Annoying. Record what you read today and go ahead and jump into Lexia. And remember, that's waiting for you to jump those levels, and every Tuesday in our Google Meet we will be presenting those Lexia Awards. All right, so we are completed now with our realistic fiction stories, and we do have one last step. You know that in Writer's Workshop, we always have to go back and revise and edit our stories. So make them better, make some corrections, make some changes. Go ahead and watch this quick video on revising, and then go back into your story and make sure you are really looking for strong detail. So what I did in my example story is that I went ahead and looked through it again, and in green I highlighted words that I thought maybe showed some strong emotions or some strong detail. So kind of make sure that you are looking at my sample, and perhaps you can go through your story and you can add a few things, change a few things, delete a few things, really just make your story better. If you'd like to link your story or actually copy and paste from last week's so you don't have to type it all again, go ahead and copy your slide, and to do that all you have to do is hit copy, or you could just highlight your text and then copy it and then paste it into this slide, which might be a little bit easier instead of having to type it all over again. But it's your choice. If you want to type it again, you're welcome to, and then make the revisions and go ahead and do your editing in these slides today. You have a couple days to go through it to revise, so don't worry about getting it all done in one day. Math warm-up. Which one doesn't belong? We've been doing this weekly to promote our critical thinking. So you have some numbers from some races, and in looking at those numbers, which one do you think does not belong and why? So go ahead and explain your answer. CGI problem today. In the video, I read the problem with you and kind of talk it through a little bit. So listen to that video if you feel like you need some help unpacking, and make sure you show your work. And at the bottom, make sure you write your answer and label that answer, please. And then a fluency check. Just a quick little check to make sure that you're still on track with your math facts. Please watch your signs. Some are addition, some are subtraction, so don't get confused. This week we've been focusing in on diversity of living things and different habitats where you might locate animals and plants. So today we're going to take a virtual field trip to the rainforest. So once you click on this video, you also have to click again where it says watch this video on YouTube. So make sure you click both and then enjoy this Amazon rainforest field trip. And then just jot down a couple things. What did you find interesting about the rainforest habitat? This is your opinion. There's no right or wrong answer. So just maybe a couple things that you found to be really interesting, or something that you maybe didn't know before the video. And then PE day. So stay active. Go noodle. Do your own thing in the backyard. Go to Coach C's website. And enjoy your Thursday.